Are you ready to check out the York? This home is a lock-and-go condo with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a garage. Offering 2-floor living, your garage and foyer are on the first floor, and the second floor is designed for you living your best life. Let's check it out. Right off the stairs, your family room greets you with enough space to host game nights, holidays, and so much more. This room flows seamlessly into the dining nook, perfect for dinner parties. The open concept floor plan continues, and your gourmet kitchen does not disappoint. The L-shaped layout boasts massive amounts of counter space, and your upper and lower cabinets meet all of your storage needs. The large kitchen island is perfect for quick meals or prep space for your favorite sous chef. This home offers a pantry, linen closet, laundry area, and a full second bathroom. Your additional bedrooms both offer spacious closet, large windows, and plenty of space to spread out. Do you not need 3 bedrooms? One of these would be perfect for a guest suite, at-home office, fitness area, or more. We saved the best for last, the primary suite. Designed with you in mind, this spacious bedroom offers a walk-in closet and a full bathroom. You could even opt to have a second sink installed, giving you the dual vanity that you've always wanted. This is amazing, but our favorite part is the private deck. That's right, your own private outside space attached to your bedroom. So to recap, the York has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a garage, a private deck, and well, the list goes on and on. Is the low-maintenance lifestyle the York offers exactly what you're looking for? Connect with us at HHHunthomes.com and learn more. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.